Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Jinsu, and we just beat the world record with a total of 240 kills.
Oh my God.
Definitely an improvement from our last record. Hopefully it remains unbeaten. If they do beat it, you already know we're gonna beat it again. If you guys do want to keep up with all these crazy gameplays, high kill games, we stream over on the Purple app. Go drop me a follow if you don't want to miss out on these crazy clips live and high kill games. Anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy the video. So we're not dropping off rip?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, you're the one that said something about it last game.
No, I thought you said something else when we were trying to go.
I'm gonna let on this kid solo and then we can rotate to them.
There's two AFKs up there.
Okay. Tagged. Tagged.
I didn't get that. There's two AFKs. On the roof. Draco tagged.
Can we all tag him?
Draco tagged.
Better hurry up and fucking kill this nigga.
I tagged
Plant.
both. I tagged both.
Kill plant.
I'll kill the guy.
You niggas take so
Last. We farmed the shit out of this kid.
My God.
He's right here outside.
Dominator,
Oh wait, one Dominator. Tagged. Dominator's tagged.
Nothing seen.
Tagged.
Just kill these
I got tags on all. Just get the kill.
Off it.
Right here, close right. Tagged. I'm killing.
Whole different team.
Alright. Focus on these other teams that
like
don't have the
8
bot.
fucking teams, bro.
Tagged over here. Get the kill. Get him quick.
Got him.
That bot team die? I don't know, but we should just fly right.
Other team up here.
Get ahead, buy station.
I have no ammo, holy shit. Six bullets in the dream. Tagged him.
Tag. Last guy. Don't kill him. Different. Planted right behind you.
Oh, I'm dead.
Chucky's tagged. Rotating right. Tagged him. You get the kill?
Tag him.
This world is closing.
Behind hers.
Nice one.
Right here, behind.
Right. Okay, where?
Close on me. I need to kill. He's gonna kill me. Right here, close.
Double kill.
Kill him. Up outlook. Outpost. Straight ahead.
Okay, right here.
Tags on him on the chest.
On me with a shield.
Right. Dr. Winger. Oh, that's last. Leave him.
I know, I'm just hawking him.
Surrender. Last one. Kill him.
Right here, Bob. Kill him.
Tagged him.
Alright, kill
Yo,
him.
there's two on me.
Coming.
Which one kill him?
I don't know. I'm waiting for you guys to.
Close right.
Close right. The other one's outer.
I'm taking scroll.
Yo, come on,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, literally goes right there.
Like, I'm literally opening that because I have no ammo. I need a fucking gun, bro. Like,
Straight ahead.
I don't open that shit for you. Like,
I heard Dr. Winger.
close. Wiener. Tagged. Get the kill. I didn't get the kill.
Next world. Straight ahead.
Kill Brody, kill
I don't know. I think that's the last. Close left. Kill close left.
Tagged.
Nick.
He's 1E.
All right. Straight ahead is the last person.
Oh my god, yo. Stop fucking taking the shit.
Taking what? Very.
I'm just not gonna open it. I'm gonna wait for you to open it and just steal it now. Fuck that.
On me. Tagged.
Just portal.
Up top. You. Straight ahead. See how it is. On me. They're all two on me.
Wait for us to get there. Me and Dindin are a little far.
I have tags on them.
Tag 2.
Kill that. They're not
Okay,
gonna
okay,
get it.
okay.
Come on.
Right here. You weren't gonna get it. We'll head up the retag.
I was literally right there when Ginger killed him. Tagged.
Tagged him.
Guys, kill him. Straight ahead.
Close left, close left. Just take the portal.
Down lower here. Or went to the right. Kill chance.
Let me get the kill. Let me get the kill.
Hurry the fuck up.
I tagged him. I tagged him. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
He portal deep to the right. He's right here. Waiting
I
right
see
now.
him. Barries.
Sorry.
Fire sale event is over.
Tag this kid.
Wiener is running.
Tag. Did I kill him?
One close on you. One close on you. Hurts to your right. I tagged him.
Drop on the way.
Antonio. Gotta go.
I got them all tagged. You get the kills.
MVP.
This mad niggas still here, bro. I think they're up on my height over here
Alright.
at the tower.
Hurts.
They just went up.
Yeah, in the building.
Close
Right here
right,
on
close
by,
right,
on
close
by.
right.
Chuckles,
Tag
Chuckles
down
tag.
by. Tag down. Okay.
Other one
Yeah,
down.
plant.
One top.
Draco.
Draco.
Draco gotta go.
Tagged. Get him out.
Just kill him.
He's going left. Where'd he go? Here. He's about to take a portal.
World is
I'm turning
closing.
around, bro.
Time to get a
That's
move
one
on.
kid. That's how the kid's over here.
Great hit.
Just wasting time chasing that kid.
Close left, right on me.
Grande? Oh, wait, right here.
Chuckles.
I'm in.
Up
Top window,
top.
top window.
I get shot in the back.
There's rockets.
I'm getting in.
Don't hard focus. There's another team pinching. Get out. That's it. He's dead.
I bet your teammates are
I'm
planning
up.
an epic revive mission.
Across,
You're
right?
revived. Teamwork makes the
Or
dream
above
work.
us. I hear him above us. Take my portal. Right here. This one. Oh, different team killed him. Right here.
Right here, across. My portal.
Other one. Heat.
I'm gonna get a tag on that.
Yo, down, to the right.
Bam.
Right here, close up. Yo.
He's flying, bro. Oh, wait. Right. Portals, I think.
Right here,
Oh,
right?
deep.
Right here. On my portal. Take my portal.
He closed it.
He's one shot. He's literally one shot.
I don't have any portals.
Great hit.
We gotta wipe this team.
One up on my left.
I'm back in 3 seconds.
Other one deep. That's a different team.
You've respawned. Look alive.
Back on.
Double kill.
Falling.
A lot of kids on me.
You fracture?
Yes. Right here. Bilbo.
I attacked him. Just kill him. He's gonna die. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, close on me.
There's tags.
Two of them.
I don't know.
Eating up.
I'm dead. I'm gonna use for
One left with purple shield.
I'm not trying to wipe that. He's running. I'm resing. Yo, on the path, in front of me. On my portal. Right on me.
I'm
Two.
coming.
I stunned them both.
I'm dead. Make a res.
This is portal right here to my left.
We're getting portaled on. Play your life for a second.
I gotta stay up here. Just play your life.
Final round.
Low gains, one shot.
A lot of kids here, man.
There's a team behind us too.
Yeah, I know.
I'm up.
Heads up.
No, just this.
Please. Oh my god, that kid just got fucking shit on right here. Oh my god. Close left on the rock. Just stack. They're playing mad ratty in that building.
Wait, I'm Jin.
We gotta wipe. Fuck the test. We gotta wipe. It's final zone with 6 teams. Just stack and wipe.
Right across. Another.
On top. Hear him?
Yeah.
On top over here, I think. I don't know. I hear footsteps. Right here on me. Tags on both. Tags on both. Behind me.
Another team.
This is the game. If
Hey, you don't know, just lock in. Lock in.
I know.
Lock in.
Double kill.
I know. I'm
that
locked
shit.
in. I just don't have shield.
On the
I
shit.
don't have shield.
Yeah,
Someone
please.
drop me shield.
Oh, here.
Kill him to the body.
yeah.
Kill him to the body.
Got it.
Oh, open the crates. Oh.
Right here on the crates.
Got a portal on that. Right, purple.
Oh, it's-
That's one shot.
Tag
We gotta
right
wipe.
here.
We gotta wipe.
Inside.
Yeah.
Grab.
I'm out of here, bro.
Huge.
And we have extra plate.
They wipe. Right here, on me.
Please.
They're pretty decent.
I'm money.
Getting shot from behind.
Run.
That's your.
I'm getting the res.
Triple
Stay
kill.
up. Oh shit! Kid right in front of me. I don't have fucking ammo. I need help. Stay up.
I have 3 seconds. To help first.
Yeah, help him out. So just have a portal ready if anything.
Only 2
3
opposing
teams.
teams.
The other one is far.
Huge.
Close.
Huge.
Alright,
We gotta make sure we farm the last team too.
Right.
4 gone.
In the
On
sky,
the rock.
Bori.
On the rock, right
Bori and
close.
player.
Alright,
Last two. Right here.
Oh
Hold
my
it,
god,
hold it,
I
hold
got
it.
stunned.
Hold it.
stunned.
Kill the kill. Give her. Last guy.
Leave him.
Nice work.
I'm resing.
Wipe out.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
We're killing.
Get the purple kid. Actually, get prime time. He's peeking the most. Oh, they all spawn.
Prime.
Prime. Prime's dead.
Play this shit right, fellas.
I know.
Play it
Go back
slow.
up,
We don't need
back
no-
up,
Jisoo,
let him
back up.
All right, bro.
We're good.
I'm trying to make sure I get tags on this.
I know you can. Good.
We're wasting time by them just hiding back there, bro.
You don't want them to die. We're super close.
Get low game. They're all there.
Good luck, Ethan. Got a plate.
Oh my god, I died.
Last.
Watch it. I think that's.
Back up.
It's two.
Go Prime.
Prime. Got him. I'm not.
It's the last guy still. Fuck.
Come on, man.
Just stay here. They're about to spawn. Go to where they were, if anything. Right here. Get on the mountain. I'm on the mountain.
Yeah, get on the mountain.
Oh, he sees us. They all spawned.
Go low.
Low gains, in prime.
Okay. Which one are we leaving? Leave
Somebody
time.
pull it.
Leave the guy in the back. Leave the guy in the back.
Leave the
time,
guy
leave
back.
Kill G.
Nice.
Kill G.
G.
Got him.
This nigga is running.
Doesn't see me over here.
They jump up top or something?
I'm signing him.
Jump up top.
They just spawned.
Spawn.
Low.
Kill.
Low and prime.
Low. And storm. Get ape.
Ab.
Oh no, slash. Alright, make sure we leave ab every time. Leave ab every time.
Go prime.
Goody.
Kill prime.
Oh. Last guy.
10 kills. You're on a roll.
Yeah, just get every time. Get that 70.
I think one spawn, no? Oh no.
No blow.
Time. Okay, leave. Get goody. Good.
Goody.
Good.
Alright, there's two right there. There's two of you.
Go Prime.
Kill Prime. Kill Prime. Kill Prime.
Leave on.
Heating up.
Low. Close one top.
I'm back.
Or no, that's left.
I'm back.
Just keep fighting.
Yeah, keep farming. Keep farming.
Low.
Low.
Low and good. Look, good. Leave the last hit right there.
Just keep running around.
Make sure you guys
If it
win
kills
though,
one of
too.
you, win it. Cause no bullshit. I think we beat it. But just farm as much more as you can.
Kill him. Good shit. You fucking did it.
Yep.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, nigga. Oh my fucking god.
That's world record, baby.
Oh my fucking god, my nigga. Oh my
Holy.
gosh, I might put that.